Miyako, you want your treat now? You want your treat now? Okay, tough crowd. Thanks a lot. I'm totally gonna include you in future videos. You need to scoot over a little bit. Okay, no. Okay. Vamos a hacer un video. Sí, vamos a hacer un video. Sí, es que le pica la pata, no sé qué le pica la uña. ¿Cierto, mi amor? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little unboxing of this BarkBox. If you don't know what it is a monthly subscription box. And as you can tell, I have my dog here with me, so it's obviously for dogs. I was going to say cats too, but if it's BarkBox, obviously it's dog only. So this is Muñeco's third box, so I just wanted to try it out a couple times before I actually made a video. Obviously each month is going to contain different things and it's going to have a different theme. So I just wanted to open it and see Muñeco's reaction, even though he just woke up from a nap, or I woke him up from a nap. So I just thought that this would be like a really cool little gift that I started back in the holiday season to give Muñeco, because I just want to spoil him. So we're going to see what's inside. Alright, Muñeco, you gotta show them you're excited to see this, okay? Look, look, look! Oh, we're gonna see what's inside. Muñeco, mira pues. Mira. Smell, what's in there? So, first thing, it's comes wrapped in some cool paper that has some really cool prints depending on the theme of the month. So, let's see what this is. I'm just gonna let him sniff around. Muñeco, ¿qué hay adentro? So I'm going to see, there's a little pamphlet here. Welcome to Paradise Unleashed Beach Club and Resort. So that's cute. This is like a little beach theme, tropical, which is great because here in Seattle we're in the freezing cold. Pour yourself a pina colada and relax, because no matter where you are, you're never far from paradise when you're with your dog. How true is that? So here's a little coconut. It's a little plush toy, squeaky. So it's very soft. It doesn't have like that little crinkly material in it, so it comes, or never mind, it does. Here's in the little umbrella, you can hear it. ¡Qué lindo! Ay, si Muñeco quiere ir a la playa. He wants to go to the beach, right? What else? Mira un tucán. So here also has a little crinkly noise here, that material, foily material here. I don't know if that's what you name it. Toma, what is this? That's cute. I mean, so obviously when you register, oh sorry. When you register and you create your pet's profile, it'll ask you personal information so that they can get to know your pet and kind of customize the box, I assume, for them, depending on their size and age. Alright, so we've got the first little treat bag, and it's called Hawaiian Duck. They're little biscuits in the form of ducks. So these ones are only 22 kcal each, and I compared them to other treats like similar in size, and you know, they were probably double or triple the amount. So this is amazing to kind of like, you know, obviously treat him, but to watch his little figure so he can be healthy and live longer for us. Here is another one. It's with real pork, and it's called Beast of the Feast, Pork and Apple Dog Treats. These all-natural soft and chewy treats are sourced and made in the USA with real pork, apples, and coconut. These treats are made without corn, wheat, or soy, so pups with sensitive tummies can keep their spots in the banquet buffet line. And it's really neat that these are made in the USA because, you know, by purchasing these BarkBoxes, we are supporting our own, so that's always a big plus. And last treat, we got a little bone here. Okay, Butcher's Block Pet Treats, a tendon chew. That's pretty much what is in this BarkBox. So as you can see, in total we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items. When I signed up, I wasn't very clear on how the subscription works. I'm going to read this right on their website. Plans automatically renew. You may cancel your renewal at any time. I understood, like, okay, I can cancel at any time. Like, okay, I signed up for the 6 months, but if after the 3rd month I don't want to do it anymore, cancel. But what they told me in the chat was that I can cancel the renewals. I wasn't too clear on that, and so when I started, you know, in the first couple boxes, I thought, okay, this is pretty cool, but I want to have the flexibility or the option to cancel. I just want to share that with you, that this subscription is where you have to commit for the 6 or 12 months. But you don't play it all in full, you just pay it monthly. And so the prices vary. They're probably like between $20 to $30 Okay, so now that I'm checking, when I first signed up with BarkBox, I was unaware that I could just purchase like a 1-month trial. So if you just want to try a 1-month box, it's $29. If you commit to the 6 month, which is the most popular plan, each box comes out to $25, and 12 months is $20 a box. And it's free shipping, so keep in mind you don't have to pay for shipping. You want to try one of the treats? You want to try Ducky? Okay. Get excited, you're such a little... There we go. Okay, I opened it wrong. No, you don't want it? Sorry, he's a little picky. You know you like it. You know you like it. No me hagas quedar mal. ¿Qué pasó? What, do you hear the people outside mowing the lawn? Yeah? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? This is a great little idea if you want to gift it to anybody who loves their pets as much as I do. I'm kidding. Everybody loves a pet. Come on now. I really wish that it wasn't just toys. Obviously the treats are never going to go to waste, but just 2 toys each month is just going to like fill up unnecessarily. And so if you don't mind it, you can re-gift them to other pets that you know. But it would be really cool if they kind of changed it up with little treats and maybe, you know, shampoos or little grooming kits. I don't know, maybe like a dog leash or little collars. You know, just change it up a bit. I totally recommend you to go for the 1-month trial, even though it's $29. Totally check it out. See if your pet likes it as much as he does. He's just, you know, he's 10 years old. He's just out of energy, but he gets his moments where he's just running around crazy, so it's a Monday. So he's just chilling. If we spoil ourselves and pamper ourselves, why not our dogs? I mean, they're the best companion. They're there unconditionally. If this is totally your thing, I'll leave you a link down below. Oh, you I'm not doing it hard on him, but it's like, you know when you just love your dog so much and so freaking cute that you just want to squeeze them and punch them and just... I can't contain myself. Anyway, he's so tired. He's so tired, and this video is just going to be completely of me just rubbing your bellies. And just rubbing your bellies, yeah? I need to stop. I need to stop. Okay, I think that's it. I think this is my video. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Nieko, why are you so fat? Why are you so fat? I know you hear me. I know you hear me. Nieko, Nieko. Mira, ay, are you gonna sip some piña colada? Ay, velo, que elegancia. So fancy. Nieko, you need a haircut. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is so embarrassing. I do not neglect my child. It's just that we've had a busy time here, so. Come on, take your damn treat. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not gonna force you. Yeah, just because you're a dog doesn't mean you're always hungry, right? Which he is. He's just making me look bad.